I'm Raju Pandian, Chief Executive Officer of Sugam Trust. The partnership between HCL Foundation and Sugam Trust was initiated in the year 2017 with the purpose of demonstrating sustainable and community-owned health interventions by converging with mainstream institutions.
The collaboration between Ramakrishna Mission Students' Home and HCL Technologies Foundation had started in the year 2012. Our project was named as Project Shraddha. Through the project, we were serving the needy students of the society and students of the home in the following areas. HCLT Foundation was providing financial support for all the activities as well as volunteer support for some activities.
I am Dr. Pradeepan, branch manager of Family Planning Association of India. As per the National Family Health Survey report released during 2016, anemia among adolescents and children in Madurai was 52%. So we FPA Madurai joined hands with the HCL Foundation since 2017 to eradicate anemia in corporation school children.
The creative collaboration between HCL and Dawn Foundation is a landmark for Madurai. Madurai is always with a lot of water bodies, so many water bodies, which is really now getting either encroached by buildings or encroached by wastewater. So the Dawn is in the process of restoring it last probably more than a decade by bringing a educative process through Neerinri, a booklet about what is the water resources capacities and how has it really gone down. So in the process, HCL really steered and put it in a scale to focus on Vandiur tank.
I am Dr. Surendran from Cancer Institute, Adayar, Chennai. Cancer Institute association with HCL Foundation began in the year 2013 and we are associated now almost 7 years. Started with a small project and we expanded our work to more than 50 communities today, and we work in Madurai as well. And our work in the last 1 year, if you look at during the time of COVID, Cancer Institute established a COVID testing lab that was possible only because of HCL's support.
HCL Foundation has been contributing a lot to Madurai Corporation with their CSR support in the fields of education, water, sanitation and health fields. During corona prevention activities also, HCL Foundation has set up 50 numbers of wash basins in the urban primary health centers.
Happy Schooling program, an innovative program, a model program initiated by HCL Foundation and with the technical consultancy of M.H. Chellamuthu Foundation, and we are conducting it for the welfare of the students of the Madurai Corporation School. And so far, we have covered 24 corporation schools, Madurai Corporation schools.
I am Dr. Khushwant, working with Ankur Yuva Chetna Shibir, a Lucknow-based organization working with the marginalized section of the society for the last 35 years in the state of Uttar Pradesh. We feel very humble and proud that we got the chance to be part of this journey. It gave us huge opportunity to learn mutually and work where the impact is needed. Looking forward to continue this journey of partnership in the coming years.
मैं डॉक्टर जीपी भगत, फाउंडर ऑफ संत हरदयाल एजुकेशनल एंड ऑर्फन वेलफेयर सोसाइटी, HCL फाउंडेशन से हमारा पार्टनरशिप जो है 2014 से है और पीछे 6 सालों में HCL के सपोर्ट से यहाँ की सबसे ज़्यादा जो मेन ज़रूरत थी वो थी हमारी मेडिकल फैसिलिटी, क्योंकि जो बुजुर्ग हम सड़क से उठाते हैं वो बहुत ही बुरे हालत में रहते हैं। वेंटिलेटर तक HCL ने प्रोवाइड किया, हमारे मेडिकल टीम को जो है सपोर्ट किया।
Amma, such a melodious world, but it became a partnership between HCL Foundation and VMM, and it extended to AP Police. Any partnership, it needs to have a trust, transparency, and when we are working with community, it needs to have a dynamic partnership. That's what I like in HCL Foundation. For any organization funding to the NGOs under corporate social responsibility, I just really appreciate the partnership between HCL Foundation and VMM.
Don Bosco Anbulam is indeed very happy to say that we are working with 21 police boys and girls clubs in Chennai. We have signed an MOU with HCL Foundation in 2017 with 8 to 9 clubs only. But now, with the help of HCL Foundation, we have reached out to 21 police children's clubs. This gives immense pleasure to reach out to more and more people, especially those who are in vulnerable situations of children and the community.
For the past 5 years, Myrada has been working in rural Bangalore district with relatively disadvantaged children of the 8th and 9th class in government schools, and we have so far worked with more than 1,000 children through children groups, giving them something else to do besides their education which is given to them in the school. And this project was funded by HCL and has taught us many things about how to make sensible investment on the future of children by giving them the right opportunity to do things which otherwise they would be missing out if they are in government high schools.
As we go together in this journey with you to deliver your brilliantly conceived community and integrated community approach, really the entire life cycle, CSR projects. We have walked with you these last 10 years, delivered projects in Delhi, whether it's environment, education, skill training. And now the last 3 years, the Noida area, where we are doing education. We have reinvented, our social workers and teachers have reinvented themselves over the last year in online teaching mode. And now this coming year, we look forward to doing a good project for adult literacy. And I'm so glad, HCL, that you have identified this very, very critical and yawning gap.
My name is Ajay. I am studying in 10th standard. My school name is GHS Nagra, supported by HCL Foundation, implemented by Myrada, my school project. My school project ಇಂದ ನಮಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಟೀಚರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ 4 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಾವೇರಿ ಎಂಬ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಸಿ, ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಸೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗು, ಸ್ಪೀಚು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತೋ ನಾವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಜಿಗಣಿ HCL ಕಂಪ್ನಿಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೊಸ ಅನುಭವ ಆಯಿತು. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಮೈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದ ಟೀಚರೇ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸಹ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು. ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರು ನಮಗೆ. ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದೋಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ HCL ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸಹ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ದಿನ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್, ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನನಗೊಂದು ಸೈಕಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
వాసవ్య మహిళా మండలి వాళ్ళు HCL ఫౌండేషన్ ద్వారా పిల్లలకి సెల్ఫ్ డిఫెన్స్ నేర్పించారు. అవి చాలా పిల్లలకి ఎంతో ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉంటున్నాయి.
నాకు కొట్టడం వచ్చు కానీ మిషన్ లేదు. లాక్డౌన్లో పని లేక చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడ్డాను. అమ్మ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ద్వారా నాకు మిషన్ ఇచ్చారు. లాక్డౌన్లో మాస్కులు కుట్టాను. నా కుటుంబాన్ని పోషించుకున్నాను. పిల్లలిద్దరిని కూడా మిషన్ ద్వారాగా నేను చదివించుకుంటున్నాను.
మేము మహిళా మిత్రాలకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎక్కడైనా ఏదైనా సమస్య, గృహహింస కానీ లేదా చైల్డ్ మ్యారేజెస్ కానీ లేదా ఇంక ఇతరితర భర్త వచ్చి తాగి కొడుతున్నా కానీ ఇతరితర ఏ సమస్యలు ఉన్నా కూడా కమ్యూనిటీ లెవెల్లో మహిళా మిత్ర సభ్యులందరూ చక్కగా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి వాళ్ళు తెలుసుకోవడమే కాదు, కమ్యూనిటీ లెవెల్లో సపోర్ట్ గ్రూప్ మీటింగ్స్ చెప్తున్నారు.
నేను BDS పూర్తి చేశాను. వాసవ్య మహిళా మండలి వారి అమ్మ ప్రాజెక్ట్ వారు మా కాలేజెస్కి వచ్చి సెల్ ఫోన్లు వాడకంలో ఎలాంటి జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాలి, మేము ఏదైనా సమస్యలో ఇరుక్కుంటే వాటిని ఎలా ఎదుర్కోవాలి, ఎవరికి ఫోన్ చేయాలి, ఎవరిని అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలి అని కూడా మాకు బాగా ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చారు.
I would like to congratulate HCL Foundation for completing 10 impactful years of community engagement.
Congratulations to all of you at HCL Foundation.
मैं HCL फाउंडेशन को बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ, धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ उनके 10 साल पूरे होने पर.
Heartily congrats the HCL Foundation for their excellent commitment to serve.
We are very grateful to HCL Foundation for all their initiative, support to Madurai Corporation.
So really thankful to HCL Foundation for providing this great opportunity to Sugam Trust.
We are very much grateful to HCL Foundation for their immense support and collaboration.
HCL Foundation.
A true partnership. Hats off HCL Foundation VMM.